Hello everyone, my name is Atul Mehra and I'm the fund manager for Motilal Oswal Large Cap Fund. It gives me immense pleasure to talk to you on the second year anniversary of our fund. So we started this fund on 6th of Feb 2024 and it's been about 2 years that we have had the fund running. Happy to inform that in these 2 years, the initial 1 crore rupees invested in our fund has grown to about 1 crore 36 lakhs. And in the same horizon, if the money was invested in the benchmark, which is Nifty 100, the money would have grown to about 1 crore 19 lakhs. So that has been the kind of outperformance that we've had in our fund over the last 2 years. Additionally, happy to inform that the AUM of the fund has grown to over 3,000 crores of capital. We are extremely thankful for your trust in our fund. Just to talk a little bit more about what has been our strategy in running the fund. Basically, if you look at it in the overall framework of the large cap fund, about 80% is invested in the top 100 companies by market cap, which is the large cap universe. And the balance 20% is where we have the flexibility to invest in the best of the ideas, which are irrespective of the market cap. Additionally, we also want to highlight that the fund has been managed in a very risk robust way. So we have about 50 stocks in the portfolio, which makes it very well diversified. And at the same time, if you look at it from the perspective of risk management, we have all the sectors that are represented in the index as part of the fund. And no single sector is 3% underweight or 3% overweight. So broadly, we are aligned with in terms of the broader benchmark sector weights. Although we have overweights and underweight positions in various sectors, but the quantum is not extreme, which means that we are not taking any undue risk when it comes to running at the sectoral level. Additionally, even at a fund stock specific level, if you were to look at it, no single stock is having an active weight of more than 1.5 to 2% in that range. So that makes sure that the returns that are achieved in the portfolio are achieved through a broad spectrum of portfolio allocations, and we are not relying on a single stock or a single sector to deliver on the outcomes. So with that construct in mind, like to reiterate that returns have been achieved with proper risk management. So that has been the story for the last 2 years while we are running the fund. As we look forward, we are extremely thankful to you for your faith and trust in our fund in terms of outlook going forward. The idea is to keep this good start that we've had going in the many years to come in the future. So thank you very much for your participation and for your trust in our fund, and we will do all it takes to continue our in terms of good work that we have done so far.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.